Technical Prospects Interactive Virtual Training Academy modernizes the classroom for today's imaging engineer.
The platform is 100% interactive. There is no pre-recorded virtual sessions within the platform. It's pretty much a tool that we partnered with providers to create that platform that can extend the classroom experience.
Interactive training is really that key ingredient with a customized course, which allows you to engage with the instructors on your terms and also be able to pull up real-time information and have your questions also answered in real time as well. Through our technology, we are able to show you the systems, show you the course material, whether you are here, whether you're doing a hybrid experience where it's partially at your facility or at ours, and really if you're attending virtually as well. It's really a once in a lifetime experience.
Technical Prospects move forward with the virtual interactive training platform to really answer the call of the modern day engineer, imaging engineer, right? So in order to fill the needs in a fast-paced work environment where these guys are on call and they can't be away from the office or their service region for long periods of time, they need the ability to get the training with minimal time away from their obligations.
The Technical Prospects Interactive Virtual Training Academy really fits the needs of the current engineer because today's engineer, they're younger, they're more mobile, they want to be on the go. They want access to information when they need it, as they need it. And this platform allows us to be interactive, but also allows them to be present no matter where they are, anywhere in the world, really.
In the event an engineer is in a lab working on a particular piece of equipment, this technology allows us the opportunity to actually visualize through video an interaction with the student or the engineer, if you will, to work through the lab problem in real time. So we're able to take a camera into our lab, share it with, from a technical supports perspective or a student that has been in one of our classes, share them the experience. So we're one in each other, showing them exactly what they need to do or walking them through the particular problem that they're trying to solve, allowing us to have a bit of an edge on the uptime challenge of continuing to get today's medical equipment functional quicker.
The classroom environment, normally you're going to be doing lecture and then hands-on in the lab. We can do the same thing virtually.
The student can write actually on the whiteboard. If the instructor explaining a wiring diagram or such, the student can write on the whiteboard.
We have cameras and boards set up in the rooms that present the classroom to its fullest virtually, so that the students remotely see the classroom as we're teaching. Also down in the labs, we can actually present it as if the student were standing in the lab.
When a student comes and trains at our facility, there may be points where they need additional support. So we're able to use this technology to be able to virtualize the experience. So we can take a camera into the lab and work exactly with them on a specific problem or walk them through software configuration or software troubleshooting or debugging. The gentlemen in the lab today are going to show us some motorized movement of the IVTA, the fully motorized IVTA system that we have as a part of our lab. So gentlemen, can you demonstrate the movement function today for us?
Sure, we'll show you two. One is going to be actually the bucky and tube crane tracking. So if the patient is placed in here and they're trying to do a 45-degree oblique to the patient, that is assisted by moving to the position of the patient that they want, and then they can actually rotate and you can see that the bucky actually tracks to that position.
In the modern imaging environment, downtime is critical.
In a situation where you've got administrators trying to cut back costs and travel costs and the fear of COVID and not wanting their people to have to go out beyond their local domain for fear of getting infection, and just the cost overruns alone of having a student go to class. Now, at his convenience, he can set up that engineer's training, half shifts, half days, however he wants to do it, and get the same training virtually at their convenience.
We offer 45 continuing education credits that are AMI pre-certified, pre-approved, for our in-person classes. That's not going away or going to change because you take it in a virtual interactive format.
OEMs offer their classes based on the newest, greatest, latest thing coming out. Generally, their training sessions and their training facilities will only have those latest, greatest pieces of equipment. They rarely will have older legacy pieces of equipment, but yet there's still a huge base out there in the field, as everybody knows, that 15, 10 years, sometimes those machines are still plugging along. They're war horses, but nobody knows how to teach them anymore. Nobody has the equipment in their labs to be able to teach them anymore. The OEMs won't touch it. Here comes technical prospects. We have people and the expertise and some of the equipment. If we need to go out and get a piece of equipment in order to teach it, we do it. We're going to be able to teach the legacy equipment that nobody else wants to teach.
Here at Technical Prospects, we're excited to offer this modern platform to engineers around the world.